Here we go. We have a question, stock buy and sell, maximum one transaction allowed. So you have given an array of length n representing the prices of the stocks on different days. The task is to find the maximum profit possible by buying and selling the stock on different days when at most one transaction is allowed. Here, one transaction means one buy plus one sell. If it is not possible to make a profit, then we need to return 0. The note here is stock must be brought before selling. So we have given this array. If we buy stock at this position, then we sell at this position, we got profit as 3. Then if we buy at this position, there is no maximum. If we buy at this position, maximum is this, profit is 2. Second maximum is this, profit will be 5. Then next maximum is this, profit will be 8. So we have maximum as 8. If we buy at this and sell at this, we have 3. If we buy at this, sell at this, we have 6. So the maximum we can get is 8. So that's how we have to solve this question. That's about the problem description. Let's try to build the approach. The naive approach will be order of n square, but we have to optimize it. We have to buy the stock on minimum possible value. Let's suppose we buy the stock on the 0th day. Then we have this. Then we iterate in the whole array and try to find our maximum point. Our answer is initially 0. If we sell the stock at this position, we got 0. If we sell the stock at this position, we got 1. Then if we try to sell at this position, we got negative value, but this is the minimum. So we buy the stock on this particular position. So we change our buy to current minimum. Then we have this. If we solve this position, if we sell this stock at this position, we got 2. If we sell this stock at this position, we got 7. So the maximum is 7. Then we have this 2. So the profit will be 0. Then if we sold the stock at this position, profit will be 5. If we sell the stock at this position, profit will be 8. Then we have this position, so this is the minimum. So we will update our buy position. We will buy the stock at the minimum value. So next we have this position. This is so we sell the stock at this position and we brought at this position, so the profit is 8. So the maximum profit that we can have is 8. So let's try to code this. Code is very simple. It's a easy level problem. So we have answer and buy. We buy the stock on the zeroth index. Then we have a simple for loop. We try to find our answer. So the answer will be maximum that is already in the answer, or we sell at the current value and buy the stock before. So then we try to buy the stock on the minimum possible value. So that's about the code, and then we have answer. So this will work. You can also buy before, so this will also work. So let's give it a try. And let's talk about time and space complexity. It is pretty clear that in this function the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is constant. I hope you have learned something new. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Code is given in the description box.